So good evening all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Very good morning all of you. Madhurima, Rajesh Reddy, Narla Venkateshwarlu, Ramesh Shukla, Amshwari, Pavan, Bandar Sanjeev Kumar. So good evening all. Welcome to So once again, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So in the yesterday we have completed up to 30th questions in pair of straight lines. Today rest of the problems will be completed. Sir, are there any classes in the evening? I cannot say now presently. I have some other work after completion of this session. That depends upon my personal work. I will decide the classes may be conducted in the evening or not. But moreover, today the classes will be continued up to 11:20 itself only, but 11:30 onwards I have my personal work. So till we will continue up to in between 11:10 to 11:20 today. Okay. Any newcomers are there? Dhanita, you're also new. Okay. Yes, 31st question I will start. And also I noted your doubt also, that is actually when two vertices and orthocenter of the triangle is given, how to find out the third center? Third vertex, how to find out third vertex? That already I noticed your both Narla Venkateshwarlu and yours doubt. So that doubt can be clarified. Otherwise, so you may interact with personally. I will discuss. Swati Singh, Venkat Charan, Vimshi Royals. Okay, still joining today. Right. Okay, new. Shanmukhi, new. First, have you subscribed? First of all. So you need to subscribe first. Even I will check your comments also. Definitely. Pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. Part 3. Okay. Part 3. Pair of straight lines, part 3. The first point, let S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. A pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. If The first point is delta equals to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CS square should be 0. Second point is actually here H square greater than or equal to AB, G square greater than or equal to AC, and next F square greater than or equal to BC. So these two conditions are to be satisfied to represent ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is a pair of straight line. So this is called actually non-homogeneous. This is called non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation. Okay, even this delta can be remembered like this also. Delta also we can remember like this. Delta is equal to determinant of ABC, determinant of AHG, HBF, GFC equal to 0. So you can remember like this. Otherwise, I will tell you one wonderful shortcut. That shortcut you may not find anywhere also, but I don't say like that, but actually somewhere it might be there. First, actually, if you want to find out this one, very simple technique I will tell you. Simple technique for delta value. Simple trick to remember. This makes very simple for us. Even this depends upon determinant, but this trick is very simple, only multiplication and addition, that's all. First, actually, in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, alphabets, you check for the alphabets. Okay, alphabets. So what are the alphabets here? We have A, B, C, we have the alphabets. After that we have the FGH, again FGH write down, again FGH write down. Now in order to get this delta value, what you need to do means very simple way. First you need to do it product of the rows. Product of the rows means ABC plus product of the second row, product of the third row, FGH, add it, 2FGH, you will get it, equal to, now the sum of the product of the columns write down. That is, first column is AF square, second column is BG square, third column is CH square. You bring these three terms this side, what do you get now? You get same delta is equal to 0 itself only. Dishwank, today you will be deleted. That's all. Okay. Sorry. I got it. A handsome guy has best friend gone for cinema. Okay, this one I got it now. Okay, right. Okay. So simple trick you need to follow. All the problems can be solved. So better you remember this one. This simple trick. This will be very easy. Simple trick you remember. Okay, that's shortcut. I got it now. Okay. All hostel girls had been friends gone for cinema. That's a very lengthy, but I changed that one. A handsome guy has best friend gone for cinema. I used to say like that otherwise, but most of the cases I use this shortcut. I use it. A simple trick. Okay, next. Now the second one, the point of intersection of S is equal to 0 is HF minus BG by AB minus H square GH minus AF by AB minus H square. So this also we can find out the point of intersection like this also. So dou S by dou X equals to 0 or dou S by dou Y equals to 0. You get two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. This solving 1 and 2, we get point of intersection. This is one method. Other method, you can use this one also. Ax plus hy plus g is equal to 0, equation 1. Hx plus by plus f is equal to 0. Solving these two equations also, we get point of intersection. Solving 1 and 2, we get same point of intersection. Right. Right now, third point, the length of the intercept made by S is equal to 0 on first point x-axis is, second point y-axis is. The length of the intercept made by S is equal to 0 on x-axis and on y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. See, on x-axis is 2 root of g square minus ac upon mod a. See, on y-axis is 2 root of f square minus bc by mod b. Okay. Next, fourth point. If S is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, then first point h square is equal to ab, second point af square is equal to bg square. These two conditions should be satisfied. And third point is distance between distance between parallel lines. Parallel lines. What is the distance between the parallel lines? 2 root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b, or 2 root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. So if s is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, then h square is equal to ab. Second, af square is equal to bg square. Distance between the parallel lines is 2 root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b, 2 root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. So next, so fourth concept, the product of the perpendicular distances drawn from x1 comma y1 to the pair of lines s is equal to 0 is, so that is mod s11 by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Next, fifth point, the product of the perpendiculars perpendicular distances from origin to the pair of lines s is equal to 0 is, okay, that is mod c by, because in s is equal to 0 we have constant is c, root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Right. Next, fifth concept. Let s is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines, Then first point, pair of lines through the origin parallel to s is equal to 0 is, so that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That means pair of lines through the origin and parallel to s is equal to 0 is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So that means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and s is equal to 0 will form a parallelogram. Compulsory they form a parallelogram. Now, and the second point in this one, pair of lines through the point x1 comma y1 and parallel to s is equal to 0 is, so that is a times x minus x1 square plus 2h times x minus x1 y minus y1 plus b of y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. Next, third point, pair of lines through x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to the pair of lines s is equal to 0 is, so that is b into x minus x1 square minus 2h times x minus x1 y minus y1 plus a times y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. Okay, right. Next, sixth point. Let s equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 and s dash is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. This is called actually abridged structure notation. So you can consider actually in conic section, in circles, we have the notations. In the similar manner, even in pair of straight lines also we can consider the notation. S is equal to 0 stands for a non-homogeneous equation. S dash is the homogeneous equation, passes through the origin. That means the point of intersection of S dash is equal to 0 is origin, whereas point of intersection of S is equal to 0 is already we have discussed hf minus bg by ab minus h square and gh minus af by ab minus h square. So Narla Venkateshwarlu, or you apply JEE. First you apply Sandeep, then she will apply. Right. First one, First one. Okay. S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 forms. First point. Rhombus. What is the condition? To form a rhombus, what is the condition? Rhombus. What is the condition? Okay. So rhombus means here h times f square minus g square equal to fg times a minus b, and a plus b does not equal to 0. That means actually in the examination, in any entrance examination, you may be asked one question. What kind of quadrilateral will be formed by the pair of lines s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0? That means we need to verify this one. h times f square minus g square equals to fg into a minus b, and a plus b does not equal to 0. If a plus b does not equal to 0, then it is a rhombus. The second one, square. To form a square, what is the condition? Square. So square and rhombus is same here. This condition, first condition, h times f square minus g square equal to fg times a minus b, and only here will change. A plus b equals to 0. A plus b equals to 0 means s is equal to 0 represents perpendicular lines. S dash 0 is equal to also represents perpendicular lines. Next, now third point. Third point is rectangle. Rectangle. So rectangle means here same condition here, h times f square minus g square does not equal to fg times a minus b, but here a plus b equals to 0. Next, now final case, fourth one is parallelogram. Parallelogram. So parallelogram means same conditions, but only one condition. H times f square minus g square does not equal to fg times a minus b, and also a plus b does not equal to 0. Okay, these conditions we need to remember. So next, okay, seventh one. S dash equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, and s equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Always form a parallelogram. Forms a parallelogram. Parallelogram. It may be a rectangle, it may be a rhombus, or it may be a square. Parallelogram. Then first point, its area. That means area of the parallelogram formed by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Area we need to find out. What is the area? What is the area means? So we remember the area. Area equals to mod c by 2 root of h square minus ab. So you remember this formula. So next second, equation of the diagonal not passing through the origin is, tell me anybody. For example, if it represents a parallelogram, the equation of the diagonal not passing through the origin. So wonderful. So that is absolutely correct. That is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Subtract s dash from s. ax square cancel, 2hxy cancel, by square cancel. We have, that implies 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So this is absolutely correct, Nivedita. Right. So next, third point, equation of the diagonal passing through the origin. Equation of the diagonal passing through the origin. So now we need to write. So equation of the line passing through the origin means, that is given by hf minus bg of y equals to gh minus af of x, or you can remember like this: y by x is equal to gh minus af by hf minus bg. Generally, this is s dash is equal to 0, this is s is equal to 0. For example, this is the origin OA B C. This is the diagonal not passing through the origin. This is the diagonal passing through the origin. Understood now? Passing through the point of intersection. Yes, absolutely correct. This is point of intersection. That is hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. So this actually s is equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0 will form a parallelogram like this. So then the concepts related to this parallelogram: area and equation of the diagonal not passing through the origin, and next equation of the diagonal passing through the origin. Understood now? Eighth concept: if S is equal to 0 or equidistant from origin, then what is the condition? That means actually the S is equal to 0 represents two lines. The two lines are equidistant from the origin. The two lines are located equidistant from the origin. The distance from origin to the first line to the second line are same. Then what is the condition? So then the condition is f power 4 minus g power 4 equals to c times bf square minus ag square. Okay. So next, ninth concept. The distance from origin to the point of intersection of S is equal to 0 is the distance from origin to the point of intersection of S is equal to 0 is, S stands for ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So that is given by g square plus f square minus c times of a plus b upon h square minus ab whole root. Actually, based on this concept, last year one question was asked. Exactly correct. That is square root of hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus a by ab minus h square. But we need to simplify this one. Based on this one question was appeared in Eamcet examination. So that means we need to remember. Right. So now let us move to the problems now today. So let us discuss the problems. Problems. Second problem. Okay, 32nd problem. Right, 31st. Okay. First problem. Are you able to hear my voice today? No problem. Voice is okay. Anybody? Voice is okay or not? No. The point of intersection. Thank you. The point of intersection of the straight lines represented by 6x square plus xy minus 40y square minus 35x minus 83y plus 11 is equal to 0 is first option 3, 1, second option 3, minus 1, fourth option is minus 3, 1, fourth option minus 3, minus 1. So this is the question. Okay. Okay. Right. The point of intersection of the straight lines represented by 6x square plus xy minus 40y square minus 35x minus 83y plus 11 is equal to 0 is. So we need to find out now the point of intersection. The point of intersection means, first let us find out dou s by dou x equals to 0. So partial differentiation, this will be 12x here plus y minus 40y square is 0 minus 35 minus 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now we get the equation 12x plus y minus 35 equals to 0. Say equation 1. Now find dou s by dou y equals to 0. Partial differentiation with respect to y now. 6x square differentiation 0, x into y differentiation 1, x minus 80y minus 0 minus 83 plus 0 equals to 0. So we have x minus 80y minus 83 equals to 0. So better verify with the options. First option, you take first option. What is the first option? 3, 1. Substitute 3, 1 here. So if you substitute 3, 1, 36 plus 1, 37 minus 35 does not equal to 0. So first option has been eliminated. Go to second option. Second option means 36 minus 1 minus 35. Yes, 0. Second option is considered. Go to third option now. That is minus 36 plus 1 minus 35. No. Go to fourth option. So minus 36 and minus 1 minus 35 does not equal to 0. Fourth option eliminated. So that means second option is the right option. That's all. Option 2. But because this is a competitive entrance examination, you can check it. For example, if for two options will satisfy, then go for the second equation. Check in the second equation. Right. So let us move to the next question. 32nd question. 32nd problem. If the pair of straight lines xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the line ax plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0 or concurrent, then a equals to first option minus 1, second option 3, third option is 1, fourth option 0. This is the question. Yes, you can apply direct formula also. HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Yes, you can apply. I do not deny. Any method you can apply. The pair of straight lines xy minus x minus 1 equals to 0 and ax plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Concurrent means ax plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 passes through the point of intersection of the pair of lines. That means we need to find out point of intersection of the pair of lines and then substitute in the equation ax plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, so that we get the value of a. First solution. Okay. First, dou s by dou x equals to 0. For this equation, we get like this: y minus 1 minus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. That means y is equal to 1. Dou s by dou y equals to 0. So x into 1 x minus 0, y differentiation minus 1, 1 differentiation 0 equal to 0. So x equals to 1. Therefore, point of intersection is equal to 1 comma 1. Since this is concurrent, 1 comma 1 satisfy this equation. So that implies we get a plus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. That implies a minus 1 is equal to 0. So a equals to 1. This is one answer. Otherwise, your point of intersection is equal to formula minus f by h comma minus g by h. Substituting, comparing this equation with 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. F means minus 1 by 2. That means minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 by 2 you will get, by h. H is actually how much we have here? H is also 1 by 2. G will be minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. So 1 comma 1. Same you get 1 comma 1. Substituting here, substituting in this, we get a value equal to 1. Third option. Okay. (33). Question number 33. The equation x square plus lambda plus mu of xy plus lambda mu y square plus x plus mu y equals to 0 represents represents two parallel lines. Two parallel lines. Two parallel lines. Then first option, lambda plus mu equals to 0. Second option, lambda is equal to 4 mu. Third option, lambda is equal to mu. Fourth option, lambda is equal to 3 mu. This is the relation. The equation x square plus lambda plus mu xy plus lambda mu y square plus x plus mu y is equal to 0 represents two parallel lines. Then we need to find out. Solution. If you compare this pair of lines with s is equal to 0, we have a equals to 1, 2h equals to lambda plus mu, b equals to lambda mu, 2g equals to 1, 2f equals to mu, c equals to 0. So their parallel means h square equals to ab. So h square equals to ab means lambda plus mu by 2 whole square, because h is lambda plus mu by 2. AB, A is 1, B is lambda mu. So that means lambda plus mu whole square is equal to 4 lambda mu. You will get it, 4 lambda mu. Lambda plus mu whole square minus 4 lambda mu equal to 0. This is algebra formula. Lambda minus mu whole square equal to 0. That means lambda minus mu is equal to 0. That implies lambda is equal to mu. That means third option is the right option. Right. So, and one more important point actually, yes, lambda minus mu whole square is equal to 0. I have forgotten. So, if you are asked to find out the angle between the pair of lines s is equal to 0 is same as the angle between the pair of lines s dash is equal to 0. So, that's why I did not discuss, directly I go for the problem. Right. What is the question number? Question number. Yes, Suma. Thank you. 34. 34. The angle between the pair of lines two times x plus 2 whole square plus 3 times x plus 2, 3 times bracket of x plus 2 bracket of y minus 2 minus 2 times y minus 2 whole square equal to 0. First option pi by 4, second option pi by 3, third option is pi by 6, fourth option is pi by 2. This is the question. Right. The angle between the pair of lines 2 times x plus 2 whole square plus 3 times bracket of x plus 2 and times bracket of y minus 2 minus 2 times of bracket of y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So generally one will be tempted to simplify this equation and takes a lot of time, but first directly you check here coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. That means a plus b. If a plus b is equal to 0, directly we can say the angle between the pair of lines is 90 degrees. So let it be checked now here. So first a stands for coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So without expanding, direct write x square coefficient is 2. Here we won't get any x square coefficient. From the last term we will get it. Coefficient of y square you will get. B equals to coefficient of y square. Here actually y square multiplied by minus 2, so we get minus 2. Here a plus b. What is a plus b? 2 plus of minus 2. That will be 2 minus 2, 0. Therefore, they represent perpendicular lines. Theta is equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. Fourth option is the right option. Fourth option. Thirty-fifth problem. 35th. Right. 35th problem. The acute angle between the pair of lines 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 3x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 is first option cos inverse 4 by 5, second option tan inverse 4 by 5, third option 0, fourth option pi by 2. Yes, 35th question. So that means now acute angle between this s is equal to 0. That means 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 3x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is parallel to 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. That means whatever the angle between 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 is same as the angle between the pair of lines 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 3x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means here we need to find out the angle between 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 only. That means here a value 2, 2h equals to 5 and b equals to 2. Other values are not required. You take cos theta or sin theta, no problem. Let us find out cos theta. What is the cos theta formula? Mod of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So this equals to 2 plus 2 is 4 by root of a minus b whole square. 0 square 0. 4h square is nothing but 2h whole square, 25. That is 4 by 5. So theta equals to cos inverse of 4 by 5. This is the angle between the given pair of lines. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Thirty-sixth problem. So now we shall move to 36th problem. 36th. Are you ready? The distance between the pair of parallel lines, 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square minus 12x plus 16y minus 12 is equal to 0 is first option 5, second option 8, third option 8 by 5, fourth option 5 by 8. This is the question. The distance between the pair of parallel lines 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square minus 12x plus 16y minus 12 is equal to 0. So that means we need to find out the distance between the pair of parallel lines formula that we need to apply. So not we need to find out. We need to find out the distance between the pair of parallel lines. So that means first write down here A equals to 9, B equals to 16, y square coefficient, C equals to minus 12, 2h equals to minus 24, am I correct? 2g is equal to minus 12, 2f is equal to 16. Distance between parallel lines. Distance between pair of parallel lines, that is parallel lines. What is the formula? What is the formula? Anybody, what is the formula? Distance between the parallel lines. Two root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. This is the formula. Am I correct now? Let us substitute now. This equals to 2 root of g square. 2g is minus 12. G will be minus 6. 36. AC. AC means minus 12 into 9, minus 108, but minus is there, plus 108. By A is 9 into A plus B, 25 that will be. So that will be 2 root of 144 by 9 into 25. This equal to 2 times 12, square root of 144, square root of 9 is 3, this square root of 25 is 5. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. This will be 8 by 5. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Even 2 root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b also we can apply. Now 37, okay, 37. The distance between the pair of parallel lines represented by x square plus ax plus b equals to 0 is first option root of a square minus 4b, second option root of b square minus 4a, third option a square minus b root of, fourth option b square minus a root. So this is the question. So distance between the parallel lines we need to find out. Okay. Right. Solution. Here a equals to 1. There is no y square coefficient. B is equal to 0. C is equal to B. And 2h is equal to 0. And next 2g equals to a. 2f equal to 0. It's not 0. This is a. Distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. 2 root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. So this is 2 root of g square. G square means g value will be a by 2. A square by 4 minus ac minus b upon a is 1. So 1 plus 0, 1 itself only. This is equal to 2 root of a square minus 4b by 4. Root of 4 is 2, 2 gets cancelled. We have square root of a square minus 4b. So first option is the right option. Even this problem can be done using quadratic equation concept also. Using quadratic equation concept. Because for example say these two roots are x1 comma x2. Because this represents a parabola. It cuts like this at 2 points, 2 different points. So we need to find out the distance between, actually represents a pair of lines, means like this. Distance, this is the distance. So that means you need to find out x2 minus x1. Difference of the roots. Difference of the roots is equal to by, given by what is the formula? Mod d by, root d by mod a. So that means indirectly root d. Discriminant. What is the discriminant of this equation? A square minus 4b. So under root of a square minus 4b is the answer. So that also we can do it. So that may be complicated to you. So leave it, no problem. Any one of the methods you can apply. Thirty-eight, right. The length of x-intercept, made by the pair of lines 2x square plus xy minus 6y square minus 2x plus 17y minus 12 is equal to 0 is first option 2, second option 10, third option is 5, fourth option is 20. The length of the x-intercept made by the pair of lines 2x square plus xy minus 6y square minus 2x plus 17y minus 12 is equal to 0 is. So now this is the formula. Length of the x-intercept made by s is equal to 0 on x-axis is 2 root of g square minus ac by mod a. This formula we need to use. So now solution. Here a2 y square coefficient is b equals to minus 6, constant term is minus 12, c 2h equals to 1, x coefficient is minus 2, that is 2g, y coefficient is 17, 2f is equal to 17. So length of the x-intercept, made by s is equal to 0. What is the formula? 2 root of g square minus ac upon mod a. So that is 2 root of g square. G square means actually 1 you will be getting 1 square. So minus ac. Minus ac means minus 2 into minus 12 plus 24 by mod a is 2. 2 gets cancelled. Square root of 25 equal to 5. So this is the answer. Understood now? Option 3. Thirty-nine. Right. Length of the y-intercept made by the pair of lines 2x square plus lambda xy plus 3y square plus 8x plus 14y plus 8 equals to 0 is first option 0, second option 5 by 3, third option 10 by 3, fourth option is 1 by 3. Right. Length of the y-intercept made by the pair of lines 2x square plus lambda xy plus 3y square plus 8x plus 14y plus 8 is equal to 0 is. So now y-intercept we need to find out. Solution. Here x square coefficient is 2, so a 2, y square is 3, b 3, constant term 8, c 8. 2h is equal to lambda, am I correct? 2g is equal to 8, I am writing directly. 2f is equal to 14. Now length of the y-intercept. Y-intercept. What is the formula to find out length of the y-intercept? That is 2 root of f square minus bc by mod b. So that we can write here now. We can find out here. 2 root of f square. F square means f is 14, f will be 7. So 49 minus bc. Minus bc means minus 24 upon mod b. Mod b is how much? 3. This will be 25. 49 minus 24, 25. Square root of 25 is 5 into 2, 10 by 3. So third option is the right option. So generally what will you do means the students will actually tempted to find out the value, lambda value first. They apply delta and they will find out lambda. After getting lambda, then they will go to the formula. So that becomes very lengthy. Parvataya order first subscribe. Okay. Sandeep Neta might have. Okay. $40. The product of the perpendiculars from origin to the pair of lines to the pair of lines 12x square plus 25xy plus 12y square plus 10x plus 11y plus 2 equal to 0 is first option 1 by 25, second option 2 by 25, third option 3 by 25, fourth option 4 by 25. Okay, good morning. Right, the product of the perpendiculars from origin to the pair of lines. The product of the perpendiculars from origin to the pair of lines s is equal to 0 is mod c by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So that formula we need to apply. Solution here: a is 12, b is 12, c is 2, 2h is 25, 2g is x coefficient 10, 2f is y coefficient 11. So product of the perpendiculars. Product of perpendiculars from origin is mod c by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. 4h square also we can write 2h whole square, no problem. Here mod c 2 divided by root over a minus b is 0 square 0, 2h is 25 square. 2 by root of 25 square is 25, 2 by 25. So that means second option is the right option. Right. Where is Mr. Sandeep Neta? He is recommending others but he is not attending the classes. What happened to him? Or regular viewers are there? Tapsum is there. Krishna Nivedita, Suma, Swati Singh, Kartike. I will check once again. Regular. Chandana Sri. Okay, Chandana Sri regular. Tota Krishnamurti, Swati, Preeti also regular. Govind, Gopalam, Krishna Nivedita, Surya Teja is also regular. Dinkar, Krishna. Okay. But Mr. Where is Sandeep Neta? Where had he been? Right. Dhruvansh. Okay. Right. Regular. Dhruvansh, what about your task? Have done, completed? Right. Oh, Madhurima, you are also. Yes, so regular you are. But Chalama Shastri was also regular. Where had she been? I don't know. "41. Yes. Sanjay Rani, you are also. Right. Dishu Dishwanka also. Yadav. Right. Joseph. Namia. If the slopes of the lines represented by 6x square plus 2hxy plus y square equal to 0, or in the ratio or in the ratio 1:2, then H equals to first option √3/2, second option 1/2, third option -1/2, fourth option 3√3/2. Okay, your name is Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep Neta Sandeep. Gopalam. Right. Slopes of the lines represented by 6x square plus 2hxy plus y square is equal to 0 are in the ratio 1:2. Then h value you need to find out. See, first of all, a equals to 6, 2h equals to 2h, b equals to 1. Ratio given m:n, 1:2. Slopes are in the ratio 1:2. What is the condition we have? Condition. See, the condition is, what is the condition we have? The condition is m plus n whole square by mn equal to 2h whole square by ab. This you remember this condition. So now using this condition you need to find out h value. M plus n, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square upon 1 into 2, 2, 2h means 2h only, that is 4h square now. AB means actually 6 into 1, 6. So now this can be written 9/2 equals to 4h square by 6. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. 4h square equals to 27. So now h square equals to 27/4. H equal to square root of 27/4. This is 9 into 3. 3√3. Square root of 4 is 2. Plus or minus, no problem. So fourth option is the right option. Now disturbance is coming now. Now it's okay. Any disturbance is there? Okay. Second question. 42nd question. If the slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. or in the ratio 3:2, then what is the condition? First condition, 25AB is equal to 4h square. Okay, it might be some YouTube problem. 8h square equals to 9ab. 16h square equal to 25ab. H square equal to 9ab. Right. That means slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are in the ratio 3:2. Then we need to find out condition. Okay, right. Now the solution. Condition is condition. What is the condition? M plus n whole square upon mn equal to 2h whole square by ab. Here ratio m is to n is equal to 3:2. This is the ratio. So now we need to substitute, that's all. Substituting, what do you get now here? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 square, 3 into 2, 6 equal to 4h square by ab. So now this implies 25 by 6 equal to 4h square by ab. Cross multiply it. Therefore 25ab equals to 24h square. So this is the required or desired option. That means our option is first option. First option. No option. Karthik, no option. Option is there. Okay. Exactly. No option. Good observation. Is there, but I didn't mention it. It is 24 only. Yes, I checked. Okay, now 43. The line y is equal to mx bisects the angle between the pair of lines ax square minus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then h times 1 minus m square plus m times a minus b equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option -1, fourth option 2. Okay. So that means y is equal to mx bisect the angle between the pair of lines ax square minus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we need to find out h times 1 minus m square plus m times a minus b equals to. So that means what we need to do means the y is equal to mx is one of the pair of angular bisectors between ax square minus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, or y is equal to mx represents one of the lines of the pair of angular bisectors between ax square minus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So what we need to do means we need to find out pair of angular bisectors for this equation. We need to find out first. Solution. Here a for a only, but 2h for minus h, 2h for minus 2h, b for b. Now pair of angular bisectors, pair of angular or angle bisectors. Pair of angular bisectors is x square minus y square by a minus b, xy by h, but h is minus h here, minus h. Now say equation 1 now. Here very interesting factor, this y is equal to m of x is one of the line. Y is equal to m of x, mx is one of the lines of 1. That means now put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m in equation 1. Then we get 1 minus m square by a minus b equal to m by minus h. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what do you get now here? So you cross multiply like this. M times a minus b equals to minus h times 1 minus m square. Bring the term of the right hand side to the left hand side. You get h times 1 minus m square plus m times a minus b equals to 0. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. So thank you. Today I have some personal work, and one more thing I would like to share you, because actually our regular viewers are watching, no problem, 80 to 100 members or more than, sometimes 150 200 also, no problem. But I actually suggest you one suggestion to you, all of you. You need to cooperate to our channel. Definitely you should be the one of the volunteers to us, isn't it? Now we don't charge anything, it's a free classes. Definitely it will be continued till the end of your examination. I will be with you, definitely I will support you. So you might have observed my intention, my tendency, that actually I will complete most of the problems, most of the models. Even I don't skip. Some few problems may be left in the some models may be left also, but you need to practice those questions also. But my intention is that if I start one chapter, at least I try to complete all the models, because so that you will get benefit in the examination. Okay, thank you. But you need to cooperate with me definitely. So if you cooperate continuously, you support me, definitely I will continue my classes. So thank you. I will bless you definitely. I will one special session I will take it before your examinations, before Ecet examination, definitely how to prepare your Ecet examination or how to solve the problem. I will take 1 hour session to you. Don't worry. Definitely I will take. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you. But in the evening session, there may be changes, so that only I don't put any notification. Please be in touch with me in the evening hours, because today I have the class. Sunday already. Sunday definitely I will take the classes. Sunday we shall have the classes. Okay. Thank you, Hari Krishna. Thank you, Hari Krishna. But already I have some before this live streaming. Also, I have the some of the viewers. They became the volunteers of our SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. They are doing a lot of work for us. They are supporting us. Even some of your viewers also supporting very much to us. I know, basically. So that's why only I have been continuing. Otherwise, I would have stopped the classes. Okay, but I don't stop. But I will continue it. Even still 50 viewers are there. Definitely, I will continue our classes. Thank you. Bye. See you. So even one important announcement: the evening session actually maximum it may be tentatively 5 to 6:30 or like that. Otherwise, it may be 7:30 or 7:45 to 8:45 only. Today 1 hour only evening session I will take it. Okay. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Thank you, Dhruvamsh. How many of you accept to be the volunteers of our mission, our organization? Our is the foundation, SAKALAVIDYA Foundation is meant for free education. Okay, how many of you? You just chat in the chat box. How many of you interested? Very good. So that's why we started the WhatsApp group and that even Telegram group. You need to continue. You need to extend forever and ever. Thank you. Bye. See you.